Hello class and welcome to Module 1. Module 1 sets the stage for our lesson on fire extinguishing agents. This mini lecture is an overview of what you will be learning in Module 1. Understanding these fire extinguishing agents is crucial for effective fire management and safety. We will explore the various types of extinguishing agents, their properties, and how they interact with different classes of fire. This foundational knowledge will help you make informed decisions in fire emergencies. Our learning objectives outline what we aim to achieve in this session. We will dive right into the fire extinguishment process, identify the 5 classes of fire, and analyze the properties of extinguishing agents. Additionally, I will explain the application methods and evaluate the benefits and limitations of advanced agents, ensuring a comprehensive understanding of fire safety. In this introduction, we will cover the importance of understanding fire extinguishing agents and the different classes of fire. Each class has a unique characteristics that dictate the appropriate extinguishing methods. We will also discuss the key properties that make extinguishing agents effective and explore modern systems used for fire control, setting the groundwork for our deeper dive into the topic. Assessing a fire is critical for effective response. We will discuss how to evaluate the fire size, identify its source, and analyze the surrounding environment. This assessment is vital for selecting the appropriate extinguishing agent and application method, ultimately influencing the success of fire suppression efforts. Choosing the right extinguishing agent is essential for effective fire suppression. We will explore how to select agents based on the class of fire and the importance of proper deployment techniques. Additionally, we will emphasize the need for training and knowledge to ensure that responders can swiftly and effectively ultimately saving lives and property. Here are the 5 classes of fire and their corresponding control agents. Each class, from ordinary combustibles to cooking oils, requires specific agents for effective suppression. Understanding these classifications is crucial for selecting the right extinguishing method and ensuring safety during fire incidents. Water is a common extinguishing agent, particularly effective for Class A fires. It cools and quenches flames, but it can be dangerous when used on Class D fires, which involve combustible metals. We will discuss the appropriate context for using water and the potential risk associated with its application. Foam creates a barrier and cools flammable liquid fires. Dry chemicals interrupt the fire's chemical reactions. Carbon dioxide removes oxygen while cooling the area but is ineffective on Class D fires. Knowing these properties helps ensure the correct agent is used in various situations. Application methods for extinguishing agents vary by fire class. For Class A fires, aiming at the base and using a sweeping motion is effective. Class B fires require careful application of foam to avoid splashing. For Class C, ensuring equipment is disengaged before applying carbon dioxide is crucial. Each method is designed to maximize effectiveness while ensuring safety. Compressed air foam, known as CAF systems in the fire service, is an effective solution for large areas but requires specialized equipment and can be costly to set up. We will discuss its advantages and limitations, particularly in terms of operational efficiency and resource allocation during fire emergencies. Ultrafine water mist systems offer unique cooling and suppression capabilities, especially in sensitive environments. They can simultaneously cool and suppress fires, but their performance may vary in high temperature situations. Understanding when and how to use these advanced agents is key to enhancing fire response capabilities. Mastering fire extinguishing agents is crucial for safety and effective fire management. By understanding the extinguishment process, recognizing class distinctions, analyzing agent properties, and applying the right techniques, and evaluating advanced systems, we can enhance our fire response capabilities. You will find more detail in Module 1 as you go through each page. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at jbreakbill@cmccd.edu, or you can call me at my office. I'm at extension 0533. Thank you and have a great day.